Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS Virtual Camera with Thundr.com. First, I will open my browser and go to the Thundr.com. I am already signed in, so I will just click on Start. Now, as you can see, my OBS Virtual Camera is already showing here. If you don't see it on your side, just click on this icon and select device. From the device list, choose OBS Virtual Camera. This list shows all the webcams available on your PC or laptop. Now I will minimize the browser and open OBS Studio. Inside OBS, I will add the color source and then start the virtual camera. Once that's done, you can see that the OBS Virtual Camera is working perfectly with Thundr.com. So go ahead and try this out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.